Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting ready to go to the last day of our senior choreography concert at Jacksonville University. And it's kind of bittersweet because like one of my best friends is a senior this year, and so she's leaving and I'm in her piece and it's the last night. But before I get upset, I just wanted to kind of show you guys an updated version of my performance makeup and how I do it for concerts at JU, because the audience depth is a little different than some other stages, so it's a little different like how you do your makeup in other settings. I do have a video showing like the full process to how I do my performance makeup, so I'll link that down below, but I decided just to start with my base kind of sort of done. That way we could kind of get through this pretty fast because it's a little self-explanatory and you guys kind of know already. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you through my eyes, what I do, and then some other things to darken up my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm gonna take you guys with me to school and backstage, and so you guys can see everything that goes on behind the scenes of the concert. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so obviously my base is done. I've put on primer, foundation, concealer. I've powdered my face. I've actually done a lot of extra powder because obviously you're dancing or doing whatever and you're gonna be sweating and we don't want the makeup to move. So powder, bronzer, and then I have my eyebrows done. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Mine is like so beat up and nasty, but I start by going in with these two shades mixed together just to blend into my crease. Okay, and next up, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here, just kind of as a base for my lid. And then I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the Jouer Citrine highlighter on top of that, just so it kind of pops a little bit more. And next I'm going in with Cypress Umber on an M433 brush just to darken up the outer corners a little bit. So obviously this is a little darker than something you would normally do, but then again, like this is for stage and a lot of really super bright lights, so you do want it to be a little bit darker than normal. So I'm gonna go back in with that Cypress Umber shade and pack that underneath my lower lash line and just kind of blend it out a little bit. Alright, so next up I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner just to create a little wing, and then we'll be right back. And felt tip eyeliners usually work best for me. I don't know, it's just easier for me to control, but you gotta kind of use whatever is best for you. Like some people I know love a brush, and some people love a gel with a brush, like instead of, you know, a liquid liner. So it's really just up to preference. Some things are easier for people to work with than others. So you just gotta test all different kinds of things out to see what works best for you. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with my Jouer highlighter and Citrine just to highlight the high points of my face. And then I'm going to be blushing my face with the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. And I'm obviously a little heavier handed with blush when it comes to stage because you're really trying to make your cheeks and natural features pop out a little bit more because the lights are so strong that they wash you out. So you really just need to go in and like, if it looks a little unnatural, it should be because it's the stage. So next I'm going to be putting on some mascara. Usually I would go for fake eyelashes for performance, but the way that JU's stage is set up, the audience is very close to the stage, so you don't necessarily need as much to make your eyes look more open because the audience is in like closer proximity to where you are actually dancing. So I always just go for some mascara, like a lot of coats obviously, but I don't worry about putting fake eyelashes on for that. But if you're in a situation where the stage is pretty far back or large and the audience is pushed back or large, then you would want to go for a fake eyelash of some kind just to open your eyes up a little bit more. So I'm going to be using Roller Lash by Benefit and curling these eyelashes.
You go a little bit back further on your lid, and before you know it, your whole damn eyelid is full of glitter. You can't stop yourself. Last time I did my glitter, I even put a lighter colored glitter in my corner. I'm losing it.
Yeah, probably.
I sat there and I thought, if I had some green glitter, I could put it underneath my eyes.
Yeah, problem. You need glitter counselor.
As I'm sitting there with my rhinestone shirt.
All right, last thing we're gonna do for right now is set my face because I don't want to put my lipstick on yet because it makes my lips peel and the whole big ordeal. So just gonna set my face and then we're gonna get going. Let's go. Alrighty, so we are on the way to school right now. Let's see, it's 2:20, warm-up starts at 3, and then we have notes at 4:20, and then the show is at 5:30, and then we have a second show at 7:30. We have a show A and a show B, so it's a pretty packed schedule for today, but I'm only in 2 dances, 1 in each concert, so I have a pretty decent amount of time to, you know, take a break, drink some water, relax for a little bit between my numbers and stuff, so yeah, I'm so excited. This is so exciting. Yay. I can't wait. Okay, see you guys at school. He's come to our rescue. Now we can move on with our lives. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yes!
I'm so ready. Show day!
Show day.
On the way to warm-up.
Alana's doing warm-up.
I'm teaching warm-up.
Yep.
She is.
But there's no plan.
No plan. No plan.
Don't know what's happening.
We're on the no plan plan.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So great. Can this? Good. It's bright. Okay. Here we go. So, how are we feeling?
Good.
Good. Ready? How are y'all feeling? All right. Hey. What a crowd we got. Damn. Okay. Oh my God. Why didn't I get all of the,
That was so good.
No, man. It's killing me, and I must confess. Holy sh! Still believe when I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Yes. Damn, I got some talented friends. Huh? Healthy dancer show diet. We got some Cheetos, 2 bags of Lay's barbecue chips, but then you got the Starbucks brand barbecue chips. These are all.
And don't forget this ass. That's also on the menu.
Bye.
It's recording. Hello, I am Allie Lupanetti, and I'm the guest on Marissa's vlog this week. We are currently backstage of the second to last dance concert. It's the senior choreography concert. It's really quiet. And I am in a turtleneck because I'm in a piece about drugs, and people who do drugs wear turtlenecks. She does drugs too. Oh.
Alrighty, so.
Oh! Oh my god, oh my god.
You hurt me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What just happened?
I'm sorry. Okay, so anyway.
Hello.
I'm sorry. Jesus.
When is the lights on? Hey, do you have any games on your phone?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Alright, talk to me about your piece, Tina. What's it about?
It's about same-sex love and how society wants
One more.
Acceptance. Nice.
for
Cool.
all types of love.
And you guys are in Cats, right?
Yeah. Musical chairs.
And I suck. I'm the first one out.
First
because
one cut. for
I'm
musical
just not
chairs.
paying. I'm literally just staring at the back wall and like,
And I gotta drag her off stage.
and I refuse. And this time we run, and I'm actually gonna be screaming.
Yeah.
Nice.
What's up, everybody?
Whose piece are you in? This one.
She's in Society.
Carolina's
And
Alana.
Society and Alana.
And me.
Nice.
I'm in
Alana.
Alana too.
It's
Let's talk about the piece you're actually in, and then we'll talk about your dance.
Well, I'm actually in Untamed, which is, you know, about encaged people or animals or whatever, which is
They're
why my
scary.
hair looks like this, because I'm all kinds of crazy.
Like, cut you guys out.
And we got cut shirts, and it's kind of scary, but it's okay. And it's good, so yeah.
So,
It's good.
a lot of us are in Alana's actual dance, though.
That's true.
That she choreographed.
I think all of us are right here.
Not with.
No,
Not with.
party foul.
Not with. So,
You can't sit with
Alana,
us.
Yes,
what is your piece about?
sex. I'm just kidding.
Sex
love.
so kidding.
Okay.
No, it's about confidence and about being sure of yourself and a little bit about feminism.
All things I'm not.
Savoir-faire.
We're working on that, okay?
Just kidding.
It's called savoir-faire. Look up the definition, and there we go.
Perfect.
It's so good.
Burlesque. Get up. Show me how
How you
you.
burlesque.
Get your ass up, okay? Ass is up.
I'm gonna have to bleep you out. Mm-mm. Hello. It's Nikki's first time in the vlog.
It's my first time here.
You weren't in the first show.
Well, it's good to be here, everyone. On this channel. How do I look with blonde hair?
Let's see.
Oh.
Yeah. You know. Probably a no. It's done. We did it, guys! The lighting is terrible. But we did it. It's finally over. Finally over. Finally over.
Oh my god.
Wiping the sweat from my
Actually
face.
deceased. I'm done.
Actually.
Are we leaving?
And now we gotta go strike, so. Yay! Love it. Love it. Glad it's over. Yay. Alrighty guys, this light is obviously terrible because I'm already in the car and I left the theater, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you like these types of videos because I have a lot of fun making them, so definitely leave a comment down below and let me know about that. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a thumb up. Leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. See you guys in the next one. Bye!